Okay, so now let's get started with the ownership pattern. So basically, the equity shares of Indian Tobacco Company are listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange, as well as it is also known as the constituent for the BSE Sensex, that is the index, and it is also listed on the National Stock Exchange, where it is the constituent of Nifty 50. And apart from that, it has some global depository receipts, wherein its global depository receipts are listed on certain stock exchanges, which are the first of all the London Stock Exchange and the Luxembourg Stock Exchange. And apart from that, we'll be now talking about the shareholding patterns. So as of for the quarter ended for the September 2012, if we talk about, then the life insurance corporation, that is the LIC, and other insurance companies, when we talk about the various insurance companies of India, then in that plus the government unit, that is the government's UTI unit trust of India, are holding a great staggering percentage of around 31.5 percentage equity shares, that is they are owning those equity shares of the Indian Tobacco Company, that is ITC Limited. And now basically we'll be talking about in a way form of which are the top public shareholders of the Indian Tobacco Company. In that we'll be doing as first the name of the shareholders, and how much of the staggering percentage they are owning in the equity shareholders of Indian Tobacco Company Limited. So let's go ahead with that as well. So basically, if we talk about the shareholding pattern, then the first thing comes is just a second. Okay, so the first things comes is the Tobacco Manufacturing India Limited, which is actually owning 25.27 percentage of equity shares. Second is the Life Insurance Corporate of India, which owns around 11.9 percentage. Third is the Specified Undertaking of the Unit Trust of India, which is owning 11.41 percentage. Also next comes the Trust of India, which owns 4.13 percentage. Next is the New India Assurance Company Limited, which owns 2.07 percentage of equity shares. Then the General Insurance Corporation of India owns around 1.84 percentage, and the Oriental Insurance Company Limited owns around 1.64 percentage of the equity shares of Indian Tobacco Company. The National Insurance Company Limited owns around 1.5 percentage of the equity shares, and the Rothmans International Enterprise Limited owns around 1.31 percentage of the shares, and ICICI Prudential Insurance Company owns around 1.09 percentage of the equity shares of Indian Tobacco Company. And these out of certain shares, 62.24 percentage is owned by the public shareholders, and other is the private and other promoter shareholders are owning the same. So this was the shareholding pattern how ITC Limited.